I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make edible arrangements chocolate-covered strawberries. First, choose ripe, firm strawberries with their green caps intact. Wash them gently under cool water, then pat them completely dry with paper towels. Any moisture will prevent the chocolate from sticking. Next, prepare your workspace by laying out parchment paper and setting up a double boiler for melting your chocolate. This ensures a smooth, even melt. Now let's get to the chocolate. Gently melt your preferred chocolate, whether it's milk, dark, or white, in a double boiler. Stir continuously until it's completely smooth and free of lumps. Hold each strawberry by its stem and dip it into the melted chocolate, rotating to coat about 2/3 of the berry. Lift it out, letting any extra chocolate drip back into the bowl for a clean finish. This is where you can get creative. While the chocolate is still wet, you can add sprinkles, chopped nuts, or even a contrasting chocolate drizzle. For a professional look, use a piping bag with a small tip for fine lines, or simply a fork for quick, elegant stripes. Once decorated, carefully place your chocolate-covered strawberries on the parchment paper. Then, transfer them to the refrigerator for at least 15 minutes to allow the chocolate to fully set. To keep your delicious creations fresh, store them in an airtight container in the refrigerator. They are best enjoyed within 24 to 48 hours for optimal flavor and texture. The chocolate will remain firm, and the strawberries will stay juicy. Remember, these treats are perfect for any occasion or just a special indulgence for yourself. Also, for those looking to improve their financial journey, check the description for a link to *The Simple Path to Wealth* and other great deals. It's a book that can truly change how you think about money.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.